Welcome back to Dirty Vineyard, where you're always welcomed. You know who's not welcomed? Let me show you.
Of course you're welcome to watch one full season, going from plants to harvest to bottling, all the way to wine. Would you mind subscribing and hitting thumbs up? Thanks.
Whoever that guy is, right there. That's a pocket gopher hole. Let me show you one way to take care of that before I get on with it. One of these. It almost kind of looks like one of those goofy little dynamite sticks you used to see in the cartoons. But they're actually very, very effective. Let me show you how you use this thing. You actually don't have to have a torch to do this, but if you're not willing to do this and kill gophers in one way or another, you're probably not ready to have a vineyard.
I know that sounds kind of harsh, but walk out in your vineyard some morning and find a 4-year-old plant dug up by a little pocket gopher. I'm not saying you have to like it. It's simply a reality.
All right, let's just do a quick check on these this week. Here's the Albarinos. One thing you might notice is they're really getting tall. Like, look at this guy right here. I'm 6 feet tall. That guy's a good 8 feet tall. So we're gonna have to start thinking about, you know, the canopy here. So look on the left here. Those are Albarino. And on the right, those are Arinto. So a really different color, a really, really different height. How do I look? Super handsome? Yeah, I do. So here's your Albarino. And here's an Arinto. That's not cool, whatever's going on there. And let me see if I can find some. There we go. Let me let this camera focus in. So you can see these are just coming in. And here's the Gracianos. I haven't shown you the lower vineyard yet. These are looking pretty good, pretty fluffy. Here we go. Here's a guy right here. So I'm very happy about that. Wow, how about that? Looking good. All right, let's go hang some hose up. Oh, last thing, let me show you something. That was just last night that snapped off in the wind, and that's why you need canopy control. All right, look at this 1/2-inch tubing. That's what we use. You could use 3/4, but remember, you're using a lot more water. And let's take a look at this guy. This is your best friend ever. So here's a pigtail. Stretch it out. And by the way, this stuff, this hose is about 1,000 times easier to use in the sunshine when it gets heated up.
We've made all kinds of mistakes with this vineyard. And maybe the biggest one ever was the hose we chose the first year. We used a soaker hose the first year. Such a stupid idea. And we've since replaced every water line for better control.
All right, let me catch you up a little bit. One of the varietals I didn't show you, I can show you the watering system. That's what we do. We put these little nibs in and it'll drop a gallon an hour. And by the way, these little Sozos are looking great.
Those little nibs give us really good control on how much water drops on these vines. So depending on the climate, we set them any way we want.
The owl did not show up this week, so keep thinking of names for the owl. My friend Cameron's got the best idea so far. I'm gonna go have a glass of wine. Why don't you have one too? And thanks for visiting Dirty Vineyard. I'll see you next time.